Welcome, and today I'm going to show you how I can fix voice chat not working in Delta Force. So first, go to the settings and go to the audio, and right here make sure that you set your audio output and input right here where it says microphone to the right one, and make sure that it is pressed to speak and not it on off. Make sure that it is all on, always on, or pressed to speak. And now you will need to go to the Windows. Right now, if you go right here, double click it and go to the sounds, you will see the sounds menu pop up, as you can see. And now go to the recording and select your microphone, as you can see, and make sure the levels are high, and make sure to apply it and click OK, and make sure to set as default device, so you will be able to use that in Delta Force. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one. Peace.